Let's start by pulling out like X-Band or something and playing around with expressive chords. Let's start pulling out drums. I think we might go a little trappy on this. Really, we're gonna lean G-Funk, I think, is kind of the vibe. Let's quantize. Oh, there was a bit at the end there I didn't quantize. There we go. Let me just go find a kit where I like the hi-hats. We can carry them over. Get a synth lead in here. You know I'm pulling out the O'Burry. We're gonna turn this way down. We're gonna compress the shit out of it. Oh my god, wait a minute. Okay, that's the last couple bars right there. Oh my god, this is like way too much of a vibe. I love this. We're gonna get some soft 808s in here. It's gonna sound amazing. Am I cool enough to be producing a song like this? I don't know if I'm allowed. Let's go sifting through some 808s. I'm gonna pull out like probably like a plug 808 that my homie sent me. See, we could get something very subby and low like this. But yeah. Or just like a spins. No, the Polo Boy might be kind of what we're hitting today. Kind of just freestyling these hi-hats. I still feel like I can come on with more layers though. Let's pull out more purity. Literally pretty much like that. And I think we are going to bring them back over here. I'm not sure how much subdivision we're actually going to put into these like hi-hats and everything. I think we're going to keep it pretty sparse. I need to start digging for a saxophone is what I need. Because I think that's what's going to come in over here. Let's get some vocal pop on here. Could drop the 808s at this point. We're kind of like all off in our subsymmetry of this track, but that's okay, you know? Hell yeah. Maybe we'll let this be a little bit more sparse. Yeah, we'll just keep that like that. Ooh, bridge section. We bring them back to this. over like this guy. And we fade right there. Or we just let that play like that. Dang, I think we got a song here. I don't know. I was thinking of going a little bit harder in the second half. I don't think it needs it. I think bringing that sax like in over that synth lead was the right call.